floating point sign bit, floating point sign bit, mantissa, and exponent of the following numbers. So here we have negative numbers, negative fractional numbers. We want to find out the sign bit, mantissa, and the exponent. Sign bit is straightforward, it's negative, so it's going to be 1. And let's look at the A part. So here the sign bit is going to be just 1. Okay, now we have to find out what is mantissa and the exponent. To find that one out, we have to convert this one into binary. So I'm taking the first one, that is negative 0.125 0 0 0 0 0, and to convert this one into binary, we only look at the positive part. 0.125 0 0 0 0 0, and I multiply this one by 2 until I get a point, that is I get 0.0000. So if I multiply this one by 2, that gives me 0.25, and here we have 0 in front of the decimal point, so that's going to be right here. And then 0.25 multiplied by 2, that is 0.50, 0 in front of the decimal point, so that's going to be here. And then 0.50 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.00. So we derived the situation where we have 0.00, so we stop right here, and we have the value in front of the decimal point is 1 right here. And this one we read from top to bottom, so this is 001. And when we are converting a fraction into binary, there's a decimal point in front. And now our purpose is like to find the exponent, what we have to do is we have to move this decimal point in front of a 1. So if I move this one here, this is 0, so I have to still move it, and here I meet the 1, right? So 1 2 3, I have to move 3 times to get to this place. So this is the exponent is -3. Exponent is equal to -3, and after I move that one, I'm gonna have 1 point something. Okay, well, let's say 1.0 or something. So if I have this, then I don't have anything else. So if I convert this one into a decimal, still gonna be 1 because it's at 2 power 0 location, so it's gonna be 1.0 as well. So decimal also 1.0, therefore we don't have to do anything. Actually, we can keep it as it is. And here they mentioned this is a floating point, so this one should be represented in 16 digits in decimal. We have taken care of 2 digits, we need to put 14 more digits. So to fill that digits up, I put zeros. So 0 0 0, so 4 zeros, totally have 5, and we need 11 more. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. Now 4 8 12 15 zeros and a 1. Totally we have 16 digits, and this is our mantissa. Okay. Sign bit is 1, exponent is -3, mantissa is this number. That is for the A part. Now let's look at the B part. In the B part, we have the number negative 0.10937, 10937, and then 500. Okay, here this is a negative number, so the sign bit is going to be 1. And to find out the mantissa and the exponent, I have to convert this one into a binary. So I take the positive part of it, 0.1093750 and multiply this one by 2 until I get 0.00. If I multiply this one by 2, this gives 0.21875, and here we have 0 in front of the decimal point, so we put it right here. And then 0.21875 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.4375, and here we have 0 in front of the decimal point, and then 0.4375 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.875. Here we have 0 in front of the decimal point, and then 0.875 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.75, and here we have 1 in front of the decimal point, and we will only bring the value after the decimal point, that is 0.75 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.50. Here we have 1 in front of the decimal point, and then 0.50 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.00. So here 1 in front of the decimal point, so we derive the situation there is 0.00. So we stop right here and we read this one from top to bottom. If you do that, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1. Since we are converting a fractional number, there's going to be a point right here. Okay, now to find out the exponent, what we have to do is we have to move this point until we cross a 1. So I move 1, twice, thrice, and 4. When I move 4 times only, I get in front of a 1. So the exponent is, since we are moving to the right, this is -4. Exponent is going to be -4. And then mantissa, to find out the mantissa, I just write the form that is move. So after we move, we are going to get 1.11. And if I convert this one into decimal, you're going to have 1 plus, and this is at 2 power minus 1 location, that is equal to 1 over 2. And this is at 2 power minus 2 location, that is equal to 1 over 4. And if you calculate this, you're going to get 1.75 in decimal. But this is a floating point, as it mentioned in the question. So we have to represent this one in 16 bits decimal digits. So here we have 3 already gone, so 13 more digits. We fill up that one with zeros. 4, 8, 12, and 1 more. That's it. And this is our mantissa. Okay, that is B part. Now let's look at C part. In the C part, we have negative 0.535156, and 25. Okay, here we have negative, so the sign bit is going to be 1. And then to find out the mantissa and the exponent, I have to convert this one into binary. To convert it into binary, we take the positive part of it, that is 0.53515625, and we multiply this one by 2 until we get 0.00 situation. So if we multiply this one by 2, that gives us 1.07033125, and here we have 1 in front of the decimal point, so we put that one right here, and then 0.07033125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.140625, and here we have 0 in front of the decimal point, and then 0.140625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.28125. Here also we have 0 in front of the decimal point, so we put that one right here, and then 0.28125 multiplied by 28125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.5625. Here also we have 0 in front, and then 0.5625 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.125, and here we have 1 in front of the decimal point, and then 0.125 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.250. Here we have 0 in front, and then 0.250 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.500. Here we have 0 in front, and then 0.500 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.00. Once we get 1.00 situation, we stop right there, and here the value in front of the decimal point is 1, so I put it right here, and then we read from top to bottom. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Since we are converting a fractional number, we are going to have a point right here. Now to find out the exponent, I have to move to the right and find out where I can cross a 1. So it's for this one, if I cross once, it's straight right away crossing a 1. So the exponent is of this one is just -1 since we are moving it to the right. Okay, and after we move, we are going to have this 1.001001, and we have to convert this one into decimal in order to express the mantissa. And if I convert this one decimal, the first value is at 2 power 0 location, so that's going to be just 1, and then plus this is 2 power -1, 2 power -2, 2 power -3, 2 power -4. We have 1 at a 2 power -4, that is equal to 1 over 16, and then plus we have this -5, -6, -7. We have also 1 at 1 at 7 -7 location, so that is 1 over equivalent to 1 over 128. And if you calculate this, that's gonna give you 1.070312. And since this is a floating point, I have to express this one in 16 digits decimal value. So here we have already taken care of 8 digits. We need to put 8 more digits. To fill up that, I put zeros. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and this is our mantissa position. Okay, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.